How to get $100 Home Depot promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here we go. Now over here you will find the search box. Type in Home Depot promo code and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. All these websites will provide a working promo code for Home Depot. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open Time Magazine. After you open it, you're gonna find great deals and offers over here. Just scroll and check. 10% coupon, $50 coupon, $25 coupon, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you are interested in. Make sure you check the expiration date of the coupon code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, you can click on the option of show coupon. So here's the coupon code, you can copy it. Now I can click on the option of view discount at Home Depot. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Home Depot. Once you land to the Home Depot page, you can log into your account, make your purchase, and while you check out, you will find the section of promo code. Over there, type in the code and proceed to checkout. With that, you will get the discount. Likewise, you can also try out these offers. You can see that $100 coupon and many more. Also, you can try out these websites, as these websites will also provide you working promo codes for Home Depot. Well, this is how you can easily get up to $100 Home Depot working promo codes. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.